Hi everybody, welcome back. So I've got a little stash ad video and a little bit of a ramble. Something to go over after I do the stash ads. So this is my birthday is just around the corner. So I went out and splurged a little bit for myself. And I'll show you a couple of things that I got. So in the attempt to make my car builds look a little bit more realistic, a little bit more presentation, I picked up these turned aluminum pulleys, tried to beef up how the engines look, right? Make them look a little bit more real. And then I also picked up these license plate frames and some more decals. I think I have an idea about what I may try that one on. Although this here looks really good too. But yeah, got some ideas for those. Also picked up these little cutting boards. Now, you can see them. This is for helping to cut straight lines for pinstriping. So they all have different sizes, if you can actually see them. Okay, this is actually a rather nicely thick board to cut on, right? So you lay out your tape in a straight line, right? And then you follow that line all the way down and cut a strip. So there's this one for making straight cuts, right? All of different sizes. And then there's also this one where you can do curves. And also a little bit more of a grid pattern. Right. So you can see here how to do this. Right. So you can make curves, you can do all sorts of different things with it. So I'm going to try it, see how they work. Now, I also picked up this AMT kit, weekend wrenching. Thought about trying to do like a little garage diorama. So we'll see. I saw this in the shop, so I thought I'd pick it up. This is what's in it. I think it's kind of funny. It actually comes with a little miniature model car in it. But we'll see what we can do with this. Also picked up this kit, the Heller Bugatti T50 in 1/24 scale. There's not a whole lot of box art or anything like that, so basically it's what's up here. So looking forward to that. I really like the shape of this car. It's got a beautiful shape to it. So we'll try that. And probably one of my most favorite planes from the First World War, the Spad 13. It's 1/32 scale by Rodin, however you pronounce it. I apologize to the company. But I saw this, picked this up also. It's 1/32 scale. The nice thing about this is it actually comes with a couple of different ways to do the markings. So you can do two Italian planes. This is the most famous ace of the Italian Air Force during the First World War. If you notice this horse, this is the Ferrari emblem. So after the First World War, the Ferrari company used that emblem going forward for their cars. And it came from this gentleman, Francisco Baracca. And he was the highest scoring ace of the Italian Air Force during the First World War. And then more French. and then the British. Sorry, I couldn't read it through the camera. British Flyer. All right. So a couple of different choices for that. So we'll give this a shot. I have not put together a kit by this company before, so hopefully it'll go together well. So I have a few planes to build now. I got some boats. I got a bunch of cars, things like that. So there's that. I'll put this stuff back up here real quick. So I have a little bit of a ramble. Hopefully this won't take very long. But essentially, for those of you who watched it already, I did the final video for my small scale group build, which is hosted by Brian and Sean. Well, I got a notification from YouTube saying that NBC Studios tagged my video for copyright infringement because I used a 2-minute clip from one of the Columbo episodes in my video. So that video is currently blocked, so you won't be able to see it. So Sean and Brian, it was up. I did do the final. The car is actually made. Some people actually saw it, so they can vouch. But I actually disputed the copyright claim through YouTube, essentially on the basis that, well, for a couple of reasons. One, you can search YouTube right now and you can find a bunch of different people who have put up full episodes of Columbo and other NBC shows free to watch. Right? They don't have they don't have rights to put that stuff up there either. So I think it's kind of farcical that they could go after me for a 2-minute clip where other people have had NBC programming on their channels for years and nothing's happening to them. So with that, and then also based on YouTube's standards for copyright infringement, I also used the argument that the 2-minute clip that I used, it does not change or affect the heart of the program itself. So it's not giving anything away, right? It's almost it's a funny scene, but really in the scheme of the program, it's a throwaway scene. Okay. So using that as well as an argument, and that also I am not, I'm not monetizing this, and nor is NBC losing money because I put this 2-minute scene up, right? They're really losing money because the people who put full episodes up, not a 2-minute scene. So just to let you know, if you had been looking for that video, it has been blocked by YouTube because of copyright infringement by NBC. And we'll see what happens. It'll be held up for 30 days while they go through the dispute, and we'll see what happens. I mean, the worst that'll happen is, they'll still ask me to remove that 2-minute scene from the video. And if they do, I will follow it and I will take care of that. But again, I do think it's just a little bit on a lopsided view of what's really happening to go after something that's only 2 minutes long, and they're really losing more income, I guess, or however you want to look at it, with people who are putting full episodes up. So there's that. So just a little ramble, a little bit of a rant, I guess. And so I thought I'd just pass that on. That's why that video has been blocked. You won't be able to watch it. And again, Sean and Brian, I did finish my car for the small scale group build. And I hope that's okay. So until my next video, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you have a wonderful week. And everybody stay safe. I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.